how to unfollow someone on Twitch. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to unfollow someone on Twitch. First thing, go to Twitch and now click on this one, like or this, or yeah, this one, and then just click on the video here. Click on the video and then you will see this one here. Just click on it and then click yes. Click here, and as you see now, this is how to unfollow someone on Twitch. And that's it for today's video. And if you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.